Hello, hello, lovely people. We are back again. So I'm bringing you in to show you what I am making. What I have here is the ham from, the ham bone, I should say, from Thanksgiving, and a bag and a half of split peas, and some vegetable broth. I'm going to add a little bit more vegetable broth, and then I'm going to add this whole thing of onions. This is the vegetable broth that I use from Trader Joe's. I love it. So I'm going to be adding more vegetable broth here because this is going to be like a nice creamy soup, I guess, if you will. And then, oh, I think that's enough. There you have it, all set up and ready to go. So we'll check back tomorrow. So the next day. My ham and bone is pretty tender, so I took it out. I did go ahead and add a little bit more of the beef stock. The vegetable stock. I'm sorry. And I cut some kabocha squash and a half of a kabocha squash, and I cut it in chunks like this. And I'm going to allow it to finish cooking. Once it gets tender, I'll turn it off and I'll add salt to taste. I really don't add a lot of like seasoning and stuff because the ham already has a lot of flavor. All I'm getting ready to do now is take the meat off the bone, and the bone goes to my buddy Lou. Nothing goes to waste. Lou is my neighbor's dog that him and I have become real good friends, and he's always looking for me. A funny story, when I'm out in my garage, he could see if I'm out in my garage from down the street at the corner from his house. And that dog will bark and bark and bark until I go over there to let him out. Incredible. He's like, I know you're there. I see you. Come get me. Okay, guys. So it's pretty much done. All I'm going to wait for is for the kabocha squash to get tender. But this is all I'm going to do. It smells amazing in here. In the past, at this stage, whenever the kabocha squash is done, I would normally add heavy cream to make it more creamy, but because I have a what is it called, dairy allergies, I'm not adding that. But you can certainly go ahead and add it if you will, if that's what you choose to do, or if you know of a substitute for heavy cream, please let me know in the comments below. Here you have it. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.